Today, we're going to look at Pawns app, a popular platform that's making waves as an effortless way to earn passive income. As of last year, the app has paid out an impressive $3.8 million to its users, with average daily earnings of around $12. With over 4.5 stars in user ratings and millions of dollars already paid out, Pawns app has proven itself as a reliable app for earning extra cash. And in this video, we'll explore all the ways you can use it to earn money from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. What is Pawns app? In essence, Pawns app is a mobile and desktop app that lets you earn money in different ways. From surveys and mobile games to sharing your internet connection, Pawns app has something for everyone. The app is available across the platforms: Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Linux, meaning you can earn from pretty much any device you own. Best of all, it's completely free to join and only takes a few minutes to set up. How to get started? Getting started with Pawns app is incredibly simple. I found the sign-up process quick and easy, and within minutes, I was already exploring the app's features. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Download the app. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Pawns app, and hit download. The app installs in no time and won't take up much storage space. Step 3. Set up permissions. To start earning, you'll need to grant the app necessary permissions, such as access to your location and internet bandwidth. Before you start worrying, Pawns app always ensures your data is safe and only uses the permissions required for its features. Step 4. Explore the dashboard. After logging in, you'll be taken to the app's dashboard. Here, you can see all the available earning opportunities, track your balance, and adjust settings to suit your preferences. Step 5. Start earning. To start earning, simply activate the bandwidth sharing feature, browse available surveys, or check out all the awesome games and challenges the app has to offer. Everything you need is right there, and the user-friendly interface makes it easy to get started. Pawns app features. Now let's delve deeper into the money-making options on Pawns app, shall we? Here's how it works. Surveys. On Pawns app, you can complete quick surveys and get paid to share your thoughts on various topics, from fashion and tech to politics and entertainment. Depending on its length and complexity, you can earn up to $5 per survey, turning just a few minutes of your time into easy money. Mobile games. Yes, you can get paid to play games. Pawns app partners with game developers to offer lucrative opportunities to earn while having fun at the same time. All you have to do is download a game that's on offer, where you can earn up to $100 per game, depending on the requirements. Some tasks might involve reaching a specific level or spending a certain amount of time playing. In this way, game enthusiasts can turn their hobby into a profitable side hustle. Internet bandwidth sharing. This is one of the most innovative features of the app. By sharing your unused internet bandwidth, you earn 20 cents for every gigabyte. So for instance, by sharing 5 GB a day, you earn $1, which adds up to roughly $30 a month. The process is entirely passive, so you only have to keep the app running and let it do all the work for you. It's worth noting that earnings depend on factors like your region, the demand for your IP location, and how much bandwidth you share. Referral program. Referrals are a fantastic way to earn continuously without any extra effort on your part. For every friend you invite to Pawns app, you earn 10% of their earnings. Your friend also gets a bonus, and you earn another $1 when they make their first withdrawal. It's a win-win for everyone. And by encouraging friends to refer others, you create a ripple effect of earnings. Lottery spins and challenges. Pawns app also features fun ways to earn more through lottery spins and daily challenges. By spinning the lottery wheel, you can win cash boosts, extra app points, or special rewards to increase your balance. Challenges and quests also offer unique tasks with extra rewards as well. Leaderboard. If you're highly competitive, you'll love the leaderboard feature. Did you know that the top users earn up to $300 every week? This adds a fun and interactive element, motivating you to maximize your earnings. To increase your chances of making more money, be sure to keep the app running. The more time you leave the app running in the background, the more bandwidth you share, and the more money you earn. Also, make use of multiple devices. If you have a phone and laptop or any other device, connect each one to Pawns app with a unique IP address to make the most out of your passive income. What makes Pawns app unique? So, what makes Pawns app stand out from other earning apps? These are the reasons why I think it's worth your time. 1. Multiple earning methods. Whether you prefer completing surveys, playing games, or sharing your bandwidth, Pawns App has you covered. The flexibility means there's something for everyone, no matter your interest or lifestyle. Low payout threshold. Unlike other apps that make you wait until you hit $20 or more before cashing out, Pawns App lets you withdraw as soon as you reach $5, making it easy to see quick rewards for your efforts. Multiple payment options. Choose how you want to get paid. Whether it's through PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards, Pawns App offers flexible payout methods depending on the country you're from. Security. Your privacy is of top priority. Pawns App encrypts your data and doesn't access any personal information like contacts or emails, but only your bandwidth is used, giving you peace of mind while you earn. Fun and interactive. The addition of games, lottery spins, and surveys makes the app engaging, and not just another boring task. Plus, you get to compete on leaderboards for cash prizes, making it a great way to add a little friendly competition while boosting your earnings. What you should know before using Pawns App. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Earnings depend on location. As mentioned earlier, your income may vary depending on where you live. In that case, users in high-demand regions are likely to earn significantly more. Battery usage. Running the app on a mobile device might slightly affect your battery life, so it's best to use devices that are plugged in or have long battery life. Internet connection. A stable and consistent internet connection is crucial to maximizing your earnings, so ensure that yours is reliable and uninterrupted for best results. Pawns App is more than just an app. It's a gateway to earning passive income while engaging in fun and easy tasks. Whether you're answering surveys during a coffee break, letting the app use your idle internet bandwidth, or competing for top spots on the leaderboard, Pawns App offers diverse earning options that cater to different lifestyles. The app is perfect as a side hustle, flexible, secure, and straightforward. It won't replace a full-time job, but it's a reliable way to supplement your income without demanding too much time or effort. With its low payout threshold and multiple payment options, you'll see tangible results in no time. Ready to turn your downtime into dollars? Click the link in the description to download the app and